Signing up for the Aliexpress affiliate program is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, open your web browser. Here, search for Aliexpress. Click to open its official website. Once you're in, scroll down till the bottom of the page. Then click on Affiliate Program. Click on the Join Now button. You can continue with any of the given options. Here, I'm continuing with my Google account. Choose an account and continue. Now again, scroll down and click on Affiliate Program. Now you need to enter the basic information for your account creation. Open a new tab. Here you need to open your Gmail account. Open the mail sent to you by Aliexpress to register your account. Here is your registration code. Right-click to copy this code. Then go back to Aliexpress and paste this code right next to the email verification code. After that, add your contact phone number. Then select your social media platforms. Right below it, enter your social media account. Here, select all the related options. Lastly, agree with the privacy policy and click on Next. Here, you can either select network or no network. You can choose as per your need. If you select non-network, you will need to select channel type from the given options. Right below it is site name and site URL. Just open your related social media account where you are aiming to do promotion and copy its URL address. Here, I'm doing the same with my TikTok account. Now copy the URL address by the same process. Now paste it in this box. After that, select a related category. Then select Traffic Source Area. Lastly, add a description. By clicking on Submit button, your registration will be sent for the review.